Jai Hind everyone. Now today we will delve into the key aspects considered while planning the unit on the blogging and the content planning in our digital marketing course. The session aims to provide the insights into the strategies designed to enhance the learning outcomes effectively. So in the next slide, that we'll discuss about the introduction to blogging and content planning. The blogging serves as a fundamental pillar in the digital marketing. It enables brand to connect authentically with their audience, improve search engine visibility, and build industry credibility. So we'll explore how effective blogging can transform business outreach and the customer engagement. Now, in the next slide, that is a learning outcome defined. Our objective for this unit are in twofold. First, to equip students with the skills to craft compelling blog content. Second, to impart the importance of strategic content planning in the broader context of the digital marketing. Now we'll have the planning. We'll To introduce the topic, we will start with a brief video that will showcase the significance of the blogging in digital marketing. We can use any small video also. The visual aid we can use. We will set the stage for analyzing real life case studies. We can have an interactive discussion to identify the elements that will contribute to engaging the blog content. Now, talking about the engagement, of course, engagement is a very crucial part for the effective learning. So, activities we can have the hands-on blog creations and the content strategy workshops it will provide the practical experiences. We can also have the guest speakers which will offer the real world perspective, while the peer reviews and gamified learning will also enhance the understanding through the collaboration and the interactive reinforcement. Then the evaluation plan, if we talk about assessment, will be multifaceted. That means we can have the focusing on the practical application through the assignments, also through the activation participation in the class, through the comprehension of the key concepts via quizzes, and the ability to articulate strategies and the results in the final presentation we can have. Additional consideration, if I talk beyond the basics, we can also delve into some advanced topics, that is the search engine optimization integration, and we can have certain the storytelling part. We can have the constructive feedback will be provided to guide improvement, and the interactive methods will be employed to keep the learning environment dynamic and engaging. Conclusion, if I talk about the conclusion part, yes, the unit is designed to cultivate essential skills in blogging and the content planning, fostering an environment that encourages the creativity, of course, the critical thinking, the collaboration. So the key components for the success in the digital market, which are the key components for the success in the digital marketing landscape. Thank you so much.